In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to refill the Epson L18050 ink tanks and perform manual cleaning to ensure perfect printing.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is the Epson L18050 printer. It is a 6-color photo printer that delivers exceptional print quality. As you can see, the ink tanks are now empty, and we will refill them step by step in this video. In the first step, lift the top cover of the printer and open the caps of all 6 ink tanks carefully. Make sure each cap is fully opened before you start refilling. Now make sure you have a complete set of 6 Epson inks ready for refilling. As you can see, this ink set with the code 057 is fully compatible with our printer model. It is specially designed for the Epson L18050 and Epson L18050 printers to ensure the best color performance and print quality. Now start refilling the ink tanks one by one. The best and safest way is to refill each color separately and in the correct tank. Do not rush. Make sure every color is placed in its proper position to avoid any mixing or damage. Remove the cap from the ink bottle and place it firmly onto the tank's inlet. It is a very simple process. There is no need to squeeze or shake the bottle. Just position it correctly and let the ink flow naturally until the tank is filled to the normal level. It is very important to read the labels on both the ink bottles and the printer's ink tanks carefully. Each color has a specific code. For example, LC stands for Light Cyan, which is clearly marked on both the bottle and the tank cover. If you accidentally pour Light Cyan ink into the cyan tank, your printer can face serious color and printing issues. Also, remember that not all the ink inside the bottle will be used during refilling. A small amount of ink will always remain in the bottle. You can use the remaining ink later, after performing the printer cleaning process. As you can see, each of the 6 tanks fills up automatically to the marked line on the front. A small space will always remain at the top. This is completely normal and should not be filled. Never try to force more ink by squeezing the bottle. Leaving that small empty space helps keep the tank pressure balanced and ensures standard ink flow during printing. Now, one of the most important steps after refilling the tanks is to perform a printer cleaning. Press and hold the cancel button for 10 seconds to start the cleaning process. The cleaning will take approximately 3 to 5 minutes, so be patient and do not turn off the printer during this time. When the printer head stops moving and the power light remains steady without blinking, it means the cleaning process is complete. Your printer is now ready for normal printing. Now turn off the printer. Then press and hold the cancel button, and after that, press the power button as well, holding both for 10 seconds. This will print a manual nozzle test. Make sure to press the cancel button first before adding the power button. If your nozzle test shows no problems, you can use the printer normally. However, if the nozzle lines have issues or gaps, it is recommended to perform the cleaning process one more time until the printer reaches normal printing quality. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get more professional tips and tutorials from Device Doctor. Stay tuned for more easy and effective printer solutions.